Whitestone Dome installation instructions for foldable devices. This demonstration will be on a Z Flip 5, but applies to other models of the Z Flip series as well as the Z Fold. We're now going to unpack the contents of the box. The package includes all necessary materials to install your screen protector. We have the installation jig, dust removal stickers, factory screen protector removal tool, installation squeegee, the screen protector itself, as well as a removal tool in case the screen protector becomes damaged. Keep this in a safe place. It is not needed for installation. And lastly, we have an alcohol prep pad for screen cleaning. We are now going to prepare for installation. First, start by removing any cases from your device. Once any cases have been removed, place your device into the installation jig, as shown here. Insert the top piece of the jig into the slot and make sure it is securely pressed down. Once the jig is set up, grab the factory screen protector removal tool and remove the factory or any other pre-installed screen protectors. You should not install the Whitestone Dome screen protector on top of another screen protector, as the increased pressure on the screen could cause damage when the device is folded. To use the tool, insert it at a top corner, slightly insert it under the screen protector, and give it a slow, firm pull to remove the factory screen protector. Once your screen protector has been removed, grab your alcohol prep pad and thoroughly clean off the screen. Be sure to remove any fingerprints or smudges. Once this is complete, grab the dust removal sticker and thoroughly go over the screen, ensuring you remove all dust particles as they will cause the screen protector to bubble. Once you have ensured your screen is clean, be sure not to touch it and try to avoid getting any dust on it. If anything falls onto the screen, make sure you repeat the cleaning process to ensure the screen is 100% clean before installation. We are now ready to install the screen protector. Remove the protective backing from the screen protector indicated by this sticker. Ensure you do not remove the screen protector from the alignment holes for the jig. Insert the top portion to the lower holes and the bottom portion into the bottom of the jig, ensuring the screen protector does not touch the screen. Now with your squeegee at the bottom of your device, press firmly with the squeegee at a slight angle and at a slow, firm pace, move upwards towards the top of your device. When you reach the crease, ensure that the squeegee does not glide over the crease and goes into the crease with a firm amount of pressure. Gliding over the crease will cause the screen protector not to adhere in the crease. It may cause the screen protector to separate when you fold your device, leaving an air gap. When you reach the top, make sure you press firmly along the top edge to ensure that the screen protector is fully adhered on all sides. Wipe along the edges and then peel off the protective film, and now your screen protector is installed. You may now remove your device from the installation jig. Again, you may use the squeegee to ensure all edges are adhered. If there are any air bubbles, do not try to work them out, as this may damage the screen protector. They should dissipate within 24 to 48 hours. Your Whitestone Dome product is now installed and ready for use. Thank you for purchasing a Whitestone Dome screen protector.